Well, my purpose in this video is to remind you that you don't deserve suffering. Before I tell you the full gist, click on this button here to share this video. Click on this plus sign to follow me. If you want to talk with me, my Instagram profile link is on my profile. Click that Instagram link and talk to me. You don't deserve suffering, all right? You deserve to enjoy life. Your life is short, 100 years, and you have lived part of it. There is no suffering that you deserve. I understand suffering in terms of growth. If you're suffering to grow, like you are in the university, you know that it's just 4 years and you'll be out of suffering. It's understandable. If you're traveling to a new country and you're journeying through, it's understandable. If you're landed in a new place and you're suffering for the first 6 months, squatting around, trying to find your footing, it's understandable. But you see, perpetual suffering, you don't deserve it. Brokenness, not having money at all, you don't deserve it. This money you think that poverty is not a blessing. The blessing you think that poverty is, some people your age have that money. This work you're doing that is not paying you, some people are working and it's paying them. And they don't have 2 heads. You think it's because you don't have a degree. It has nothing to do with degree. The former president of Nigeria, what degree does he have? He had no degree. He ruled the country. It's not about degree. There are many rich people without degrees. It's not about degree. It's just that you have been trained. Many of us have been trained to accept suffering. And as long as you accept it, it will continue. First of all, believe that you deserve every single money you can imagine. If you imagine 100 million in your account, you deserve it first. It's deserving of yours. Without you adding anything to your life, you deserve it. If you imagine 1 billion, 100 billion, you deserve it. As long as you didn't ask anybody to born you in this life. Now that they have born you, you deserve it. You deserve peace in your marriage. You see, this peace of mind, you deserve it. You deserve a very happy marriage. Do you get what? You deserve physical fitness. You deserve good health. I'm telling you the truth. Once you get to that point that you believe that you really deserve it, the way you see life will change. And the thing is that once your philosophy about life changes, life itself will change. It's just like somebody that believes that all men are bad. If you believe that all men are bad, you will keep meeting bad men all your life. You can never meet a good man. It will never happen. Because even when you meet somebody that is good, you give them that bad vibe and they will go. The only ones that will come and stay are the bad ones that connect with that your bad energy and mentality. That's the same person that believes that they don't deserve to be rich. Do you understand? They don't deserve to be rich. So when you bring opportunities that will make them rich, they doubt it. There is this doubt that it cannot be them. Even if you give them money, they will reject it. Because what? It's not them. If you succeed and you have their friend, they hate you, they want to cut off with you. Just because you are creating success. It's not them. They don't believe they deserve it. You deserve it. So if you're in any place now where there is suffering, and it's perpetual suffering, not suffering to grow you, the suffering is perpetual, get out of that place. Nothing will happen. That thing you are thinking of that is that you are afraid will happen will not happen. I'm telling you. 99% of things you're scared of will not happen. You're scared they will reject you, then it will not happen. You're scared you don't have suits. If you get into the office, they will drive you. It will not happen. You'll be surprised. If you walk into that office and make that request, they will accept. What is the worst that can happen? Do you understand? Take a step. You don't deserve to suffer. If you are somewhere now where they are maltreating you, you don't deserve it. As long as it's not for a period. As long as it's not for growth, personal development, learning. You don't deserve it. Walk out of that place. Nothing will happen. Take a step and leave that place. Use your number 6. Make plans. Plan your movement. One day you carry your bag and vamut. If you're in a country where you're not making money, who told you deserve that? How long do you think you'll be young to work? Now that you are young, you can still move with your 2 hands and 2 legs. Leave. Go and use that your 2 hands and 2 legs and try something else. Maybe that one will work. Stop working perpetually in places where there is no promise. You don't deserve to work morning, night, morning. Some people are working 3 jobs. God. 9 to 5. 6 to 10. 10 to 2 before they will not sleep. Who told you this? Is that how Elon Musk used to work? You don't deserve it. That suffering, that perpetual suffering, you don't deserve it. There's no suffering unto glory. You know, God is not working anything for you in the background. You have to have a strategy. So wherever you are, if you know that there is maximum discomfort and other people are enjoying, move to where people are enjoying. Move. I can tell you for sure, 80% of your problem will be solved if you relocate to somewhere else. You are facing that problem because of where you are. Think of all the problems you're facing now. It's because of the location. 80%. If you can move out of that place to where people are happier, better, you'll be amazed. Some people are trapped in countries where that no matter how hard they work, there is no fortune there. The country has been designed in such a way that any money they pay you before the month is out, that money has finished. That's the way they designed it. Even if they pay you $1 trillion, it cannot see the end of the month. People who have sat down, economists have sat down like this, analyze the economy, analyze your status as an immigrant, analyze everything, and tabulate it and make sure that there's no way you can get out. It's a perpetual slavery. No matter how hard you save something, you can save for 10 years and you call an ambulance once, it will wipe out your savings. Some people are suffering it, thinking there is no glory in suffering. Get out of there. You don't deserve. See, you deserve to live in skyscrapers, looking over the window and seeing the city and seeing the beach. You deserve nice cars. You deserve good health. If there is any health problem you're having now, go and wash your head clean with chilled water. Open the internet and start researching that health. Many people don't come down to read up on what they are suffering. Research that health. It's good. It's true that doctors do their best, medical doctors, but they're not perfect. I'm telling you. He's just there doing his work. He's not Jesus Christ. That medical doctor in the office, that is another day in the office. You will just come. You are the 99th person he's seeing him. Like, oh, what is your headache? Oh, just take 2 tablets of paracetamol and this, that. Just take it daily. You'll be fine. Boom. Next person. The onus is on you to cool down, get into the internet. There's internet now. Read about everything you can find on that topic. Then you read about traditional medicine. In China, they have universities. About 17 universities in China are universities of traditional medicine. So you can go to a university in China now and graduate as a traditional doctor, native doctor, juju priest. You know the one we call juju priest here, herbalist. You can graduate as a because they know that herbs work. Western medicine has put everything in pills and injections, you know, and drips and surgery. But in traditional medicine, it's herbs. Many things you take in pills, herbs can solve it better, because that pill, you don't know what is inside. They just tell you that this one is this, that. You have to believe it by faith. But if you get the herb as a leaf and soak it in water and drink the water, you are sure of what you are drinking. Some of you, that is what will treat you. But you need to research it first. Herbs that treat XYZ. You read it, you try and read testimonials of people that took this herb, this, that. You'll be surprised that many people, you can treat yourself. You can get to the point where you know more about your doctor, your health, than even your doctor. If you're going to see your doctor, you suggest. Say, doctor, what of this? I read about this, that. Let the doctor give you a guidance. I don't know if you get what I'm saying. Don't just stay on a laid back thinking that your sickness is to death. Fuck sickness, man. You don't deserve to be sick. I'm telling you, many sicknesses have treatments. Some people will be misdiagnosed. So anything you are going through in life, once you believe that you don't deserve it, you'll be amazed at how much answers you can get. The universe will send you answers. You don't deserve suffering. This life, you deserve to enjoy your life from beginning to end. Go get it, man.